very good afternoon ho gaya bhai again YouTube. So anyways, yes, I sold the bike. Payment आ गई already. रात में delivery देना है and one last ride before I sell it. And yes, I didn't do many videos on this bike, and इतना पूरा बनाने के बाद भी I couldn't post much. That's Zishan, by the way. भैया सलाम बोलो पूरों को. And that's Zishan's 390 in a beautiful shade of grey, and he's joining me for the ride today. So anyways, about the bike, God, I'm just gonna miss it so much. And do not miss the beautiful color scheme on this, the wrap. It's a long story. Everything has been changed on the bike. So let's just get on the bike, ride it, and then talk about it. For starters, हर कोई शौक में है, मेरे भाइयाँ भी शौक में है कि I mean, when we got this bike from Bangalore around 6 months back, I had told everyone that this is one bike I'm going to be keeping and I'm never going to be selling. वो मैं क्यों बोला, मैं अब चलाते हुए बोलता हूँ. This bike is a wheelie monster, as you all know it, and it's stupidly, insanely fast. So let's start off why I love this bike so much. I'm going to say कि आज भी अगर मेरे को कोई भी एक street fighter बोले, this is always going to be my most favorite street fighter. In fact, one of my most favorite bikes in the world, because it's just, I mean, the way this thing handles, the way this thing has its power delivery. I mean, it's an inline 4, but it rides like a fucking twin. I mean, the power delivery is right there, even in the lower revs. The power tuning is done perfectly well, and then again, my fuel mapping and everything else has been done up on the bikes. Coming on to the mods, it's got aftermarket EBC pads, and it's got completely new and changed aftermarket steel braided brake lines up front. That is a twin race setup for both the discs, separate for both the discs. Excuse my meter, it's been acting up a little since I washed the bike. You know, that keeps happening. I need to open up everything and get it checked and check it. But yeah, ignore that. The clutch, as you all know, my bike doesn't have a regular wire system. It's got a hydraulic clutch, so that is just sweet. That gives the clutch a very light and nice feel, and maintenance की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती, and the steel braid lines make everything so much better. And apart from that, I have a custom fuel map, I have a Quickshifter installed. I mean, accessories में तो हम फाड़ दिए. So Quickshifter is currently disabled due to some sensor issues, but I'll be demonstrating that to you guys in a later video, a detailed and dedicated video on Quickshifters, because that's a very sweet accessory and a dedicated video is required for that. I mean, the single-sided swing arm, the look, the handling, the feel. I mean, everything about this bike has got me. I mean, आज भी बोलता हूँ मैं, अगर मेरे को मूड नहीं रहता तो मैं बेचता नहीं था. So let's start off with why and how I came to sell it. So basically, number one, offer अच्छा आया. That's important. And number two, I was anyways planning for a third bike, but then 3 bikes मैं अकेले चलाता हूँ. I already have the Interceptor and this and one more. Already Intercept प्राइस जब से इन्हें ज़्यादा नहीं निकल रही थी. Otherwise, this was my daily bike. So it made no sense keeping three bikes where I'm not going to be using them much. You know, I'm not the kind of guy who likes keeping bikes, you know, in the garage खाली बैठे हुए. And then again, as I had said earlier, I was also planning for a sports car, a 2-door, something nice and sweet, 6-cylinder maybe, sports car later in the year or beginning of early next year. तो ज़रा बजटिंग उसमें ज़्यादा कर देंगे अपन. अब 3 गाड़ियाँ रख के फिर वो भी कार भी खरीदे बोले तो ज़रा ओवर हो जाता. So I thought, why not, let's just stick to 2 bikes and a car for starters. Yes, bike is sold in Hyderabad only. हमारे नज़रों के सामने ही रहेंगी गाड़ी, so no tensions over there. Did some crazy things on this bike. The wheelies, I mean, for starters, this thing is simply a wheelie machine. I mean, literally first gear में भी आप क्लच की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, खाली हल्का throttle भी दियो 6000 RPM के ऊपर भी, just wants to pop and bounce. मेरा मीटर क्या सता रहा है यार इन्हें. Every time I wash the bike, this problem starts up. I'm too lazy to get it checked. But yeah, this shade looks beautiful in different kinds of sunlights. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. I mean, this is one bike I'm genuinely going to miss a lot because I wanted to keep this thing. I mean, she's a keeper. I mean, she's the kind of girl you marry. She's a girl who makes you a better person, a better rider. So anyways, without getting more boring, yes, those were a little bit of the mods which I did apart from the wrap job. And it's got aftermarket gold X-ring DID chain and sprocket kit. I mean, मैं लेते की गाड़ी पूरी मेरे हिसाब से ट्यून अप कर देता हूँ. You guys know that. And absolutely पैसा वसूल हुआ मेरा गाड़ी पे. I did a crazy ride यहाँ से नागपुर to Pune, Mumbai. That was really memorable and back. The wheelies, I mean, first gear, second gear, third gear shift. I mean, I had planned to even participate in the wheelie contest in the next Valley Run or something. But then अब ये चले गई. अब नई गाड़ी पे देखेंगे. Now, speaking of the नई गाड़ी, spoiler alert, it's not going to be a naked. And you guys can keep guessing down below. Feel free okay, what bike I should get or what you guys think it should be or it is. And अभी इसके बाद से तो nothing is like an upgrade because there's already a Lita class. अभी Lita class में अपने को खेल लेना रहेगा इधर से उधर. But I want to try a different genre, super sport, maybe. And after that whole CBR 650F incident, I had quite a lot of fear of super sports. तो वो डर भी ज़रा निकाल देना है मेरे को. Apart from that, yes, I love this bike. I'm really sorry that I couldn't make much content on this bike, even though, I mean, this is one of the sweetest sounding inline fours. I mean, let me just lift up my helmet visor and rev it a little bit. I mean, just revs like a bitch. I mean, plugs, works, हर चीज़ change करा था मैं. So the result is the compression is so amazing. It just wants to climb revs like an insane monster. I mean, yep, that's the CB1000 for you guys. So yeah, that's about it for the short video. I will make a lot more videos on the next bike, whatever. अभी ज़रा लाइफ हो गई तो ज़रा काम में बिजी हो गया तो ज़्यादा videos मैं बना नहीं सक रहा हूँ. But yes, hopefully the next bike will give us a lot more content. Interceptor के भी काफ़ी चीज़ें अभी बचे हुए हैं. Any of you guys looking to buy a used naked? I mean, this thing आज भी मैं बोलता हूँ स्पीड ट्रिपल, स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल, RS कुछ भी ले लो, सब कचरा है भाई इसके सामने. इसकी हैंडलिंग, इसकी पावर डिलीवरी बोलते इट्स द मोस्ट docile of the Japanese super nakeds, but I mean this is the most usable of them all. I mean power है, crazy power है. The delivery is very usable. Literally आप daily इस पे घर का सामान सौदा खरीदने जा सकते हैं. इतनी usable है गाड़ी. I got a great mileage all the time. It's Honda. It's super fucking reliable. It's super fucking smooth. And I've done close to 23,000 kilometers on it in total. So that is just insane. So thank you for watching, and let's just give you guys a little bit of that sweet exhaust note, you know.